Look at that beautiful BMW 118i. Really nice, very beautiful alloy wheels. It's got lots of carbon, sports edition. Lots of carbon, memory, front leather seats, sunroof, sports mode, eco mode, steering controls, Harman Kardon speakers, beautiful, and out, lovely red color. Headliners a bit soggy on the back. Very nice boot. It's got extra plastics on. Again, very nice alloy wheels. These are usually forged wheels, so really nice performance ones. Lots of carbon, as I said, so really nice. It's got eco mode, turbo engine, so beautiful for normal city drive or a bit on the highway as well. Very nice for the long distance, very comfortable.